Hey everyone, couple new cars up today. First one is a GT Spirit. This is one of those funny licensing deals. This is, I think, a 65 Corvette Stingray. It's a resto mod or pro touring, whatever you want to call it. But this is referred to as, I think it's a SEMA car by Optima Batteries, but it doesn't matter. This is a Fast and Furious car. This was shown in Fast and Furious 8, driven by Letty, I think her name was. It's good timing because Fast and Furious 9 is coming to America real soon. It's already abroad. This is really neat. You know, not my thing. Normally, custom cars I don't purchase, but Fast and Furious cars I do. And I had room in my movie car shelf. Car number 150 of 999, which is a good number. Wheel detail is good. Drilled rotors. Drilled and slotted rotors. Blacked out trim. Very much widened fenders. Interior, hard to make out. You see some racing harnesses. Pretty neat piece overall. Retail would have been like $129, $149. I just got this for, I think, $90 shipped. That price, definitely not mad at it. Your typical black GT Spirit box with a little preview. Nothing exciting. Up next is one of my many American Excellence scores. This is a 68 Ford Thunderbird. I will not be flipping this over because it has a loose driver's seat, but it sits in there fine. It's happened to a lot of these where I have to do what's called a chassis split, where the chassis has to be separated, and they're hot glued from the factory. Chassis splits are not fun. This is a 1968. This would have been a big block 429. Very neat car. I think this car is number 300-ish. There wound up being 6 of these in our 400 car lot from American Excellence. They all kind of broke the same way. This one was actually unopened. So I think they heard the rattle in the box, which was the driver's seat, and just kept it as a factory flaw. But for all intents and purposes, it's a new car. I didn't even pay 10% of retail, which was $129. Obviously, at that price, I'm not mad at it. Very good paint. The windows were a little imperfect. I added a little bit of glue. I have a really good clear drying glue that's great for windows. I don't know, I think it's a neat piece. No one else does it. It's got suicide doors. Packaging is, you know, the typical BOS long big box. Box was even in really good shape. I mean, if you want one, you're welcome to contact me. I've only opened a few of the 6 Thunderbirds so far. One is very fixable. I think the last one that sold on eBay had a broken door handle and did $295, so it's a pretty valuable car. All the BOSs are, and kind of have the market cornered on American Excellence right now. So if you're interested, let me know. In the meantime, everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good week.